I'm Wyatt, owner of Plak That. When I first started the business a few years ago, one of the most important things was to design the different sizes that we offer to minimize waste. That's why our sizes are a little weird, but they're made up of 5.5-inch dimensional lumber, 3.5-inch dimensional lumber, and so on. Being able to get the wood in and not have to rip down each piece in order to make our sizes, we're able to minimize waste and pass on some of that savings to our customers. The wood that we selected when we first started out is a sustainable pine. It's FSC certified, which means that it's grown, managed, and harvested in a sustainable way. The wood had to be very light in color and also clear of any hard knots. The coloration is important because you want your photos to turn out as close to on screen as possible. And the clarity is really important because a knot falling on the face of a bride or a baby doesn't really make a happy customer. We chose this sustainable pine, holds up really well, and we have next to no scraps because of the sizes that we use and not having to rip down each piece. Any scraps that we do have go onto the backs of the pieces. They also get used as small signage and for kindling for our wood stove in the winter. In September 2012, Plak That took another step towards sustainability. We joined with 1% for the Planet, a growing movement of individuals and businesses that are committed to donating 1% of their gross sales each year to the environmental nonprofits of their choosing. Some of the bigger companies involved with 1% would be Jack Johnson the musician, Volcom, Patagonia, Clean Canteen, and New Belgium Brewing Company, just to name a few of them. Plak That is on the same list as all of those. 1% of our gross sales each year goes to environmental organizations. When we first started, our main contribution went to the Arbor Day Foundation for the replanting of trees all across the U.S. In the last couple years, we've added to that. We still support the Arbor Day Foundation, but we've also added more of a local touch to it in that part of our contribution goes to the Acetate Coastal Trust, which is a local nonprofit whose mission is to preserve and protect the natural resources of our local area. Both companies, both organizations are instrumental in what they do, and we're glad to be a part of contributing to them. In addition to designing our prints in a way that maximizes the yield and minimizes waste, we've also made some building improvements in a sustainable way. We have energy-saving sockets, we've got a Nest learning thermostat, we've got LED lighting throughout, we've got re-insulated roof and ceiling. All of these improvements are not only saving us money in operating costs, but it's money that we can pass on to our customers. In November 2014, we actually switched from buying our electric from a non-renewable source to 100% wind powered through a partnership with Inspire Energy. I think that wind power is a great way forward, and we're able to lock in pricing for the next 5 years and have 100% of the electricity that Plak That uses generated by renewable sources. Once again, it's not exactly an agenda, it's savings. It's operating cost savings that we can pass on to our customers and keep our prices competitive. All of the sustainability, energy efficiency, maximizing yield, minimizing waste, all of these programs that we've put into place are business moves. I mean, personally, the more sustainable the better, but from a business sense, it's not just I want to do this and tell people about what I'm doing. These are business moves to lower our operating costs, which translates into savings, which helps keep our prices more and more competitive. Every day there's another photo printing company out there, and if we can separate ourselves by offering high quality wood, sustainable products, operating our business in the most efficient way possible, then we're able to compete on a global scale. You know, it's not just an agenda. It's business moves that help everyone. And by partnering and joining 1% for the Planet, we're able to get business from like-minded companies of a huge scale who want to support us also being like-minded. So it's a great situation, and I'm really happy where the business is going.